Welcome back to Puntun Kids, your favorite channel for learning. And why is it your favorite channel? Because we make learning so much fun and exciting. And today I am back with the letter program. And we are going to listen to a new story and learn about a new letter. But before we do that, I hope none of you are forgetting to subscribe for latest updates. And more so, I will also revise the previous letters to see if you smarties remember them. Yes? So we're going to start with a game. And what are we going to do? I am only going to show you a letter. I'm going to keep my mouth locked and I'm going to throw the key out. What do you have to do? You have to give me the action and the sound for the letter. Yes? Are we ready? Get set and go. Abracadabra. Let's see which letter's coming out. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Yes, that's letter C. Letter C. And what does letter C say? Come on, give me the sound and the action. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Yes. C says K. C says K. Excellent job. And a big smiley for all of you. And now let me see which one's coming next. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. And zip, zap. Zoom. Which one is this? Come on, let me hear it. Yes, you're absolutely right. This is letter B. This is letter B. Very good. And who's going to give me the sound and the action? Come on, quickly. Yes, it's B. B. Just like Benny the Bat. B. Brilliant job. And one more smiley for all of you. And let's see what's coming next. Everyone, close your eyes. Let's do abracadabra, abracadabra. And zip, zap, and zoom. What's that? Which letter? Yes, it's letter A. Letter A. Excellent job. You babies remember everything. So come on, quickly give me the action and the sound for letter A. A says A. A says A. Very good. Good job. So you all have earned another smiley. And now one last one for revision. Let's do abracadabra. Close your eyes and let's see which one's coming next. And now open your eyes. Which letter is this? Come on, quickly. Brilliant. Letter D. This is letter D. And D says, who's going to give me the action and who's going to give me the sound? Come on. So D says duh. Duh. Like Dinah the dolphin. We are going to dive out of the water, in the water. So it's D says duh. Duh. Good job. And there you go. You're another smiley. So I'm really glad all you babies remember your letters, your sounds and your actions so well. Superb job. So are we ready for a new story now? Yes? But do you remember what do we do before the story? We are going to say the letters. And how do we say the letters? We don't do sing-song because we are smarties. So we're going to sit straight, make your blocks, get set and go. Yes, everyone's ready? A, B, C, D, E, F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Superb! So now let's get set and ready for the new story. So look who's coming to meet you today. This is a boy and his name is Eric. What's his name? Eric. Let's say hi, Eric. Hi, Eric. And he has a sister named Emily. His sister's name is Emily. Let's say hi to Emily. Hi, Emily. And Emily and Eric are brothers and sisters, and they're also twins. What are they? Twins. Who knows the meaning of twins? Yes, twins means they're born at the same time, on the same day. They're born together. So they have their birthday on the same day. So much fun, right? Both the brother and the sister born on the same day. So their happy birthdays on the same day. So Eric and Emily, they have their birthdays today. And you know what their papa gave them? Their papa gave them an envelope. See, what is this? Envelope. So they both are wondering, what are they going to do with this envelope? What's going to happen? What are they going to do? And then they opened the envelope. What did they do? They opened the envelope. And what did they find? They found some money. And then they knew why their papa and mama had given them the envelope. So they were very, very happy. And they were wondering, wow, we can go and have fun today. So what should we do with the money that we removed from the envelope? So Emily and Eric, they both decided to go for a ride on the engine. Engine. They decided to go for a ride on the engine. And when they were going for a ride on the engine, see, who did they meet? They met Ellie the elephant. And do you know how did Ellie the elephant say hi to them? How does Ellie say hi? Come on, all of you. Make a trunk like the elephant. See? Elephant. Come on again. Everyone make a trunk like the elephant. Elephant. So, Emily and Eric were so happy to meet the elephant. And then they went further in the engine. And after a long ride in the engine, Eric and Emily came back home. And now they were hungry. And their papa and mama were not at home. So they wondered, what are we going to do? You know, where did their papa and mama go? Their papa and their mama went to the gym for exercising. Exercising. Come on, everyone, show me, how do you exercise? You want to be healthy, right? Come on, let's exercise. Exercising. Yes, put your arms up and put your arms down. What are we doing? We are carrying dumbbells. We are exercising. So Eric and Emily decided that they'll go into the kitchen and look for something to eat. And when they went into the kitchen, what happened? See, they found a container, and when they opened it, what happened? The container is empty. The container was empty and they were so hungry. And then they opened the refrigerator. And what did they find in the refrigerator? They found an eggplant. eggplant. But they both didn't feel like eating the eggplant. Yeah, they don't like the eggplant. So they were very sad and they kept thinking what to do. So then they got an idea. They again opened the refrigerator and they got something yummy out. It's oval in shape and it's very healthy too. If you go to the gym for exercising, you must eat this every day. Can you think? Can you think what it is? What is it? Yes, it's an egg. What is this? Egg. And eggs are very good for health. And especially if people go to the gym to exercise. So what are we going to do with this egg? How did Eric and Emily break the egg? Do you want to see that? Are we ready? See, what did they do? They kept a table in front of them and a bowl, and they gave a crack with a fork. And then how do you break the egg? Egg. And there came the egg down in the bowl for some yummy egg omelette. So how did Eric and Emily break the egg? Like this. How do you break an egg? Like this. All of us, come on, let's do it together. Let's do the action together. Egg. How do you break an egg? Like this. Yes? Very good. And what are we going to do with this egg now? We are going to make a yummy egg omelette. See? Come on, let's whisk. Whisk the egg. What are we doing? Whisking the egg. Excellent. Okay. So, did you all like the story today? Yes? Eric and Emily are enjoying their birthday because they are eating an egg omelette. So, let's see what all did we see today. Come on. What is this? They went for an engine ride. Very good. And what did their papa and mama give them? Papa and mama gave them an envelope. And what did this envelope have in it? Money. Very good. And who did they meet when they went for an engine ride? Come on, think. Yes, you're right. They met Ellie. Come on, Ellie the elephant. Make your trunks. Yes, Ellie the elephant. And then when Eric and Emily went home, what happened? They were hungry. And when they picked up the container, the jar, what happened? That was empty. And what did they find in the refrigerator, which they didn't want to eat? Eggplants. And finally, what did they find in the fridge which they like? Egg. And how did they break the egg? Like this. And what did they make from it? An egg omelette. So, when I say I can think of a letter. There is a letter which says Who knows? Who knows the letter? Does someone know the letter? Yes, my smarties, y'all are right. Letter E. It's letter E. E says E says So this is the letter. That's the letter E. And what's the action? Like this, breaking an egg. And what's the sound? So come on, all of y'all do it with me. So, E says Very good. Good job. And what about people who eat an egg and if they want to still remain more healthy, what do they have to do? Just like Eric and Emily's mommy and papa, They have to exercise. So are all my babies going to exercise every day? Very good. Good job. And now, I'm sure you all know what are we going to do. Come on everyone, run to the kitchen. So, I'm sure we are all back with our plate and some clay and dough. And what have I taught you? How do we make letters and numbers? You're going to take a small piece of clay and you will roll it out into a snake. Come on, roll. Roll your clay, roll your clay and make a snake. And the uppercase E is very, very easy. So first we are going to make the uppercase E. It's only straight lines, standing line and sleeping line, but only straight lines. So there I have a long snake. What am I going to do? I am going to make a standing line from up to down. Yes, a long one. And then I'm going to cut the snake here. See? And then a sleeping line on top. A little long one on the top. And a slightly smaller one in between. And again a little long one at the bottom. The top and the bottom lines should be the same. They should be the same size. Yes? See that? So your uppercase E is ready. Yes? Let's all of us take our pointer fingers. Make a standing line. Up to down. Then a sleeping line. Left to right. A smaller sleeping line. Left to right. And a little longer sleeping line. Left to right. What is this? Uppercase E. E says eh. Come on everyone. E says eh. Brilliant. I'm going to show you some magic, okay? Don't remove this standing line. Let that be there. Only remove all the 3 sleeping lines. And now we are going to turn this into a lowercase e. And how am I going to do that? I am going to curl this. Yeah, I'm going to curl it like Curly the caterpillar. Yeah, let's curl it. Curl it. Yes, let's curl it. Now, after curling it, yes, once we have curled it, take another small piece of snake and just join this end to the curl. See? That's your lowercase e. What is this? Lowercase e. Let's all of us take our pointer fingers and we're going to start from here. Yes, where we have ended the curl. So we go left to right and make a curl. Again, come on, pointer finger. Let's go left to right and make a curl. This is lowercase e. And e says eh. E says eh. Excellent job. And a lovely smiley for all of you. So, coming to the last part of this session, we all have to do our homework before we meet the next time. So here's your worksheet. You can all take a photograph. What do we have to do? We have to color the egg. Egg. And you have to color the images that begin with the sound. Come on, so let's see. When I say elephant, elephant. Can we hear the sound? Yes, very good. So we are going to color the elephant. When I say ant, can we hear the sound? No, we cannot. So we will not color the ant. When I say eggplant, can we hear the sound? Yes, very good. So we're going to color the eggplant. And when I say envelope, envelope, can we hear the S sound? Yes, brilliant. So I want all you babies to do your worksheet before we meet the next time. And while I go and enjoy my egg omelette, I want all of y'all to like and subscribe. See you next time.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें